What's up, guys? This is Fico, and I'm here to make a special announcement, and this is about what I have been sort of kind of announcing little by little. I mentioned it at the reinventing, and I mentioned it when I got the new camera. So, this is actually an official announcement I'm going to be putting up today at my Gaming Mind video YouTube thing. And but basically, here's what's going to happen. I am opening a brand new channel. I've already got it all built and just need to start loading videos in there. Now, that channel is going to be Fico's Mind. That's the tentative title, but I figured, why not? I mean, I've had Fico's Gaming Mind going for a few months now. I could have more videos though, but I'm trying to add them more as they go along. But for now, simply what I'm trying to do is add more content for you guys to watch. But sometimes I don't only just go, to play video games. Sometimes I don't always just sit down and watch conferences. Sometimes I don't always just go to a friend's house and rant about what happens at E3 or whatever. So what I've decided to do is I have decided to open up a brand new channel so that I could talk about everything else. Specifically movies, music, sports, personal vlogs, maybe announcements about stuff that I'm doing personally. I'm trying to keep what I do from FGM away from what I do at this new channel that I'm going to do. Everything game related, everything that I find if I go back to doing the FGM weeklies, I will be totally doing that over at that channel. But what I've decided to do for now is I'm going to focus on just making sure that the content that I talk about is going to be on separate channels. What am I going to be doing in this new channel? First off, I am playing with my new baby, the Canon, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be posting a couple of, to start off, a couple of vlog style movie reviews that I've done early on. There was really one that I started with The Avengers. I saw The Avengers early on, the night that it came out on debut. I actually saw it twice. But I figured I wanted to just mention it. I have done all my reviews. Let me show you. I've done them all here using my friend the Webby, and but I do plan on using this camera forever, lols, until I maybe get like one of the bigger ones. But anyway, what I've decided to do is split myself to doing, like, if I see a movie, I will give my impressions. If I see something on Netflix, if I see a movie on Netflix, if I see a show on Hulu, if I listen to something on Spotify that caught my attention, I'll mention it. If there is a CD that I bought through iTunes also, or if I heard it on Spotify again, or maybe I saw a music video, or maybe I have an opinion of basically anything that I can think of that I figured, you know what, I should probably comment on that. I'll post a video on that channel, and that's more for, personal things. Sometimes I like to post like a vlog, maybe something that has happened personally to me and I want to share it with everybody or anybody who wants to listen. But I don't want to run too much time here because but basically, where you're going to find it is if you basically take the word gaming out of my channel, Fico's Gaming Mind. That's the name of the channel, Fico's Mind. And I'm debating whether or not to allow people to send me, emails or whatever. But I have a new email account set specifically for that. But for now, it is just go to the channel. I will be posting the first set of videos very soon. In fact, I think what I'll do is today I will post this video first, and then I will post the next round of videos, which will be a couple of reviews that I did. See, I sort of do it like like a la Brad Jones, like from That Guy with the Glasses. I sort of do it like after I see the movie, I come and give the expressions as soon as I see them. No cuts. just a streamlined line of thought about what I thought. I think that to me is probably, I'm not doing it like a professional reviewer. I don't just sit down and go over things. When I have well, I want my personal thoughts to be out there, and you know, when everybody and anybody likes them, comment. If they don't like them, comment also as well. What did you think? If you don't like something, if I didn't like something, or I like something, any other suggestions that you'd like to leave out there. So, and as always, if you have any suggestions of what stuff that I'd like to talk about, stuff that maybe, you know, is happening, maybe in the world of, you know, like entertainment, sports, music, movies, maybe a piece of news. See, I don't watch the news. I don't like politics. I don't like watching the news. I mean, when you look out the window, you know, the world is nice when you don't know about the bad stuff that's happening to it. Some people might say that as, oh, you don't care about the world. No, I do care about the world. It's just that that's the sort of stuff that worries people. But if you want to talk about something, you can also mention it there as well. But, you know, that's basically the big announcement. And as it's, you know, as time goes on, I will post more comments. I've also updated my gaming blog as well. It's got a brand new look as Fico's Gaming Mind .blogspot.com. You can check it out. It looks a little bit nicer. I've been trying to get an image there, but it always asks me for 300K. But it says that you can use over like almost HD, but it always says no, the image is too big, the image is too big, the image is too big. Whatever, I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out soon. But anyway, I will post the link below for where you can find the actual channel, so you can start subscribing. You can leave comments on what you'd like to see, and as soon as this video goes up, I will be also adding a clip about I think what I'll post first is my Avengers Prometheus, and I think the Snow White and the Huntsman vlog videos. They're rather simple, and they were probably going to be the last videos that you're gonna see in a while with the Webby. So that's a good reminiscence, and hopefully, because I'm hoping that today I'll be able to go to I want to go to Home Depot or Lowe's, buy a couple of can lights, and figure something on how maybe to do some lighting, just work around it, so that way I can get you guys videos when the sun is not out or when the sun is out, and maybe take the shadows off my face. So, but anyway, if you're interested in seeing something particular, again, leave any comments below. I will be announcing a few more things later on, or as anything else comes up, I will leave it in the announcements. I do not know if I'm gonna have a specific like a Facebook page for it, but for now, let's see what happens. This is an experiment. This is just me pouring my thoughts, and if you like what you see, what you're going to, and if you sort of like what you've seen in the gaming aspect, I hope that you like what you'll see here soon. So, because I love a lot of things. So anyway, I will let you guys go, and hope you guys have a really sweet day. It's only Tuesday. Week is only getting started. It's my day off. I hope someone has a day off today besides myself. And you guys take care. Take it easy, boys.